5-star, baby. This backyard is 5 stars. One of the most gorgeous projects. I know I say that a lot, but this is really true. We have a beautiful pool. We have the fire pit over there, pond over there, half-court basketball court over here. And the star of the show is this deck. Wait till you see this deck. It is amazing. Look at this. Look at this entrance. Absolutely beautiful. I love the colors in this deck. We've got the torches up here. We've got a full black Equinox louvered roof. Just stunning, and everything ties together. The granite on the kitchen, absolutely love it. It's got quartz in there. It's got little browns to tie in with the decking itself. Full blaze appliance package, refrigerator, ice maker, the works. This is absolutely stunning. How cool is this? Got the bar over here, right? Now this is not an easy thing to do because you'll see there's a hidden thing on this deck, and this, tying this all in and making it work was not an easy thing to do. There's a lot of design challenges here. Look at this rail top bar, one of 2 rail top bars on this deck, overlooking the pool, overlooking the fire, torches. The ambiance on here at night is through the roof. So on the house itself, we took off all the old siding. We did stone all along the bottom, and then from there up, we did Versatex in this beautiful wood grain. Really ties in with everything else, the whole black and stone, really cool theme, transitional. And then check this out. So the client wanted screens all the way around here. That's not an easy thing to deal with, especially when you have an existing house. So this is a wing wall. This is one of the things that we do to tie it in seamlessly, and then we're able to have our screens top to bottom. So we continued all the way along here with the stone, with the Versatex up top here in the dark colors. You've got this beautiful black louvered roof here with 3 heaters, 4 fans. This space is good to go 10 months a year easy, if not year round. Look at this fireplace. Our signature see-through fireplace. How awesome is this? And then we've got screen doors on both sides. Now these screens here are solar, so they give privacy, not that they need it here, but it also cuts down the solar, so it blocks the sun when the sun's setting, and it cuts down on the breeze. So in the fall and the spring, when it's cool out, you have the heaters on, you close the screens, it cuts down on the breeze and makes it that much warmer in here. Really, really nearly year-round space. Come on, check this out. So out here, bonus lounge area, overlooking the pool. Another TV up there, because why not? Maybe the kids want to watch something different. Games on the other side for the adults. And another rail top bar here, done in this gorgeous, gorgeous granite with the leather finish to it. Beautiful quartz. I love this stuff. This stuff is just amazing. And then more torches. 6 torches in total on this project from our friends at Fire Garden. Just absolutely stunning, mesmerizing the way those torches spin with the light. Come on. So this room here, walls come down all the way around. Turns it into a screened-in room so the party can go late at night, protects you from the breeze in the spring and the fall, really gives you 10 months, 12 months a year of entertaining space out here with your heaters, your ceiling fans. You control the environment. It's not easy, it's a challenge. We really had to raise our game to get this all done and get everything in here and make it work seamlessly for the clients. I hope this inspires you to do something amazing. Follow us, like us, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.